Today I have 3 organizations, and one of the initiative is Women in Manufacturing. Now, people ask me, why do you do this? Why have you started this? And this is where I want to tell you the story. It's not about this presentation. I am a founder, so I'll give you a pitch presentation in 5 minutes or 3 minutes max. You know, while working in the industry, one thing which I realized, there are very, very few women in the industry. And what happened is, and that also, when, you know, the one who joins, they don't stay. They don't see the, long-lasting career in the manufacturing. You go to any college today and ask any student, do they see manufacturing as the aspirational industry? Most of the time, you will see, or you will hear the answer, no. We want to join the other because our CTC or packages are high, or because they are fascinating enough. So I thought, why not to work for this? And वो जो 22 साल का एक्सपीरियंस था ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं खटकता था कि यार क्यों नहीं है? And that is where we, there's a very bold statement I wanted to make it. This is not working. Okay. I want to say women are missing in manufacturing. 12%, the number that I have given, this includes even those contracted laborers. So we are literally missing, and we are not there. Now I heard it's India, future, 2047 May, we want to become a 30 trillion economy. How are we going to do that? Today, manufacturing contributes to around 17% into the GDP of the India. The thing is, and with 12 to 15% of population, for making 30 trillion, we need 70% people, 70% women actually working. And if they are not working, we can't go to that. We will not be able to improve the productivity of the manufacturing. And hence, the contribution in the GDP will not. And these numbers, I'll tell you, you see the numbers from 2015 to 2025. The numbers has not moved. 12% का 15% हो गया है. This is the percentage of the women who are in the manufacturing. And then we all talk very great thing. We will make all this trillion economy and all. How is it going to become? Labor kahan hai? Where, and more than labor, where is the technical people? Where they are men or women, where are they? And this is where we said, and there could be various this thing. And that is why I said, आज आप college में जाओ, किसी भी college student से पूछो, men or female, तुम manufacturing industry join करना चाहते हो? Most of them, at least 8 or 9 out of them will say no. They don't see manufacturing as aspirational, not at all. And I'll tell you, because we go to students' bodies, we go to colleges. And we thought, let's work for this. Now, naturally, when women are not there, the 50% of the population, we are not able to tap them. And if you compare the productivity output, it is also, we miss on that as well. Because we know in few work or few, working this thing, women are better compared to. And that is why even, the number, India ranks 127 in the gender index. And I'll just give you, I was telling that most of the women who joins this industry, when I joined, and I took up one of the leading company to join as a GT way back in 2001, Tata Motors. In fact, I had shifted from electronics to mechanical, and I was told, तेरे को job नहीं मिलेगी, mechanical में shift कर लिया है तूने तो. This was the statement made by my colleagues. I said, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है, तुम्हारी tension नहीं है कि मुझे job नहीं मिलेगी. This is my tension, and I'll take care of this when I'll pass out. And that's where when I joined Tata Motors, that's my first company. And today also it happens. Most of the women who are joining the industry, and I'll tell you, 30% of them who are leaving it, and they are not coming back. They are not coming back. I know बहुत सारी companies have started those coming program and but they are not. We are losing that skilled manpower again back. They are going back either due to their family or they are not seeing their career into the sector. This is some hard facts. We need to take it up, and we need to work for that. And that is where I said, this is where we started, that why we exist. So we started with a platform called WIMA, which is WIMA, Women in Manufacturing and Allied Industry. And we said, let's create a platform. And I am not creating this platform only for urban women. No, we need women from even rural India to come and work. We need skilled manpower. So we have an arm which is called Rojgar Dhaba that works in the rural India. We are currently active in 26 districts. Through that, we mobilize or we work with the women in the rural India. We work at panchayat levels, block levels. We go to the rural ITI colleges to get them trained on. And then we said, let women come to the platform, and then also the companies come to the platform. Now women, either they could be student or rural women or women at the mid-career or senior career, let it be. And also the companies come to the platform. And I want to tell here, guys, many of you are experienced. We need mentors also. We have very few mentors. I remember when I was struggling with my career decisions, there were very few people. I didn't know whom to go to ask, yaar, mujhe job lena bhi chahiye next, or I should take this role or not. We need mentors. If any one of you feel that there is a cause that you can work for, at least you can register for as being a mentor. Go to veema.co.in and register yourself as a mentor. And at least mentor few of these women who are struggling to find a career navigation or who might be thinking, ki main job chodu ya rakhu. Now what we offer, so we work with students, we work with professionals, we work with companies, whether they are MSME, and we work with the rural women. Now to the student, and why we are working with them. I just can't train the existing people and say, now मैं कर रही हूँ women के लिए नहीं. I need the tap to be open. And tap कहाँ से आएगा? Starting, the school and the colleges. And that's why we work with the school and students as well. We tell them, why is it important? We are exposing them to the manufacturing companies. Ki come and do internship here. Come and understand how this industry works. And then we help them कि freshers jobs हैं, तो let them. We help them, अगर आपको skilling चाहिए, तो इस area में skilling करो. Then with the professionals. Now the professionals who are existing. I want to tell here, now when I'm talking here professional, naturally we are focusing on women professional, but we are also focusing on the men professional here. The reason is, I can't only teach women and come ki nahi, aapko karna. I also need to sensitize the existing talent to accept them, to work for. And that is why when we run the skilling program at the company's level, we work with the whole population. We work with the companies, whether they are MSMEs and corporates. If they want to hire, come exclusively, we will help you. You run the programs of skilling with us. You tell us, we will devise a program for your retention of the talent. And then with the rural women, as I was saying, we work through our Rojgar Dhaba arm, and we help them to get into the jobs. Now, why Veema? So it's not that we are a service. We are a tech-based platform. We are developing a tech-based platform because there's a huge data we are talking about, huge data of people that are going to come. We have both the rural and the urban interface that we are working in, and our data matches. So when you register as a mentor, for an example, and there is a mentee, a student or a professional who has registered that she needs a mentorship into this area, this platform matches it and gives a right mentor set to the person, both you and the mentee. So there is a lot of back-end work that happens to the platform that it does it. And then, as I said, we are very, and this is an AI-driven skill gap analysis also we do. For an example, if I am a person, I'm a professional, and I am deciding, okay, after 5 years, this is the kind of role I want to do. Now the thing is, if I want to take up that kind of role, and today I exist on skill set number 1, I need to do at least 3 more training or on-job training to get to that level of the next level of my career. So the system also tells you that, and we also help you to get those skilling too. So in a way, your skill cards are ready for your next role. I'll just tell you the market today. If I include all contracted, non-contracted, and also, and not only auto company, all the manufacturing company, and that's why we said manufacturing and allied industries. So they could be cement industry, they could be oil and gas. There are 14 million women exist, including all. It is expected to go to 30 million. We are targeting. We at Veema has taken a target that we want to empower 1 million women. 10 lakh women को हम skilling, mentoring या jobs के through support करके इस sector में लाना चाहते हैं. ना बहुत बड़ा बोल्ड है, मुझे लोग कहते हैं, यू नो, पीपल टेल मी दिस इज अ वेरी बोल्ड, इट इज नॉट, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अचीव दिस। आई सेड ठीक है, मुझे चैलेंज करो एंड आई विल टेक इट। एंड दिस इज वेयर वी आर। So all this sector, all this industry that we are targeting, so it's not only auto, it's everybody, every manufacturing industry that we are targeting. At least auto mein, still it is 12 to 15%. Cement mein it is 3% women. And kuch mein to shayad wo one single digit mein bhi nahi hai. This is just till the number till 25. I'm very proud to say we are just 1 year old organization. VIMA is just 1 year old initiative, but today we have a network of 5,000 women across India from these sectors. And not only this, we have helped students, we have helped rural women to get, so for the rural women, we have both the model, they can work in the factories as well as they can work remotely. Because we do understand they have a constraint, there is a constraint that works for them. But they need to be the part of the workforce, that's our whole process or thought process. We are all founded by the women founders only, so we are an all women team. But yes, we have an operational team where we have the other genders as well. Now, I'm very proud of this and I wanted to show you. So VIMA also has VIMA ambassadors. VIMA ambassadors are the women, and many of them you will see tomorrow as well. So these are the women, and in fact, Rutuja is here as well. So the industry leaders who talk about this cause. So we have group of VIMA ambassadors and keep on adding, and we have some ambassadors even outside India who keep on talking about this cause. And that's why we are very proud to have that all these women, they are leading the industry, they are the senior people from the industry, and we are the VIMA ambassadors who are talking about this. Naturally, OEM is one of the partners who supports us, and some of these articles. We have also, as a Startup India recognized startup, and we have been incubated by National Cement Board and others as well, and few of the partners. So these are some of the functions we keep on doing at our partners, at our partners companies. We have more than 15 partners company who support us today. And these are some of the skilling sessions. These are the rural women. We actually goes to the core heartland of India. And I was saying we are working in the 6 states for the rural women whom we are training. We are getting them on the job, either remote or the factory. And that's how is VIMA doing it. And that's all from our side. So if you feel you want to become a mentor or you want to support this cause, you can always come. Thank you all.